Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.1. Solve the following equations. That is question number 7. Question number 7 is 2x by 3, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Multiplying both sides by 3 by 2, multiplying both sides by 3 by 2 we get that is 2 by 3 x into 3 by 2 is equal to 18 into 3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 will cut. This 3 and this 3 will cut. 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, and x is equal to 3 9 is 27. And that is the answer of question number 7. Question number 8 here you see is 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5, or it can be written as y by 1.5 is equal to 1.6. Multiplying both sides by 1.5 we get y by 1.5 into 1.5 is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. This will cut, and y is equal to, if we multiply 1.6 with 1.5, we are getting 1.6 with 1.5. Then 5 is 30, 3 it is 0, 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 1 is 6, 1 1 is 1, 0 8 6 14, carry 1, 2, and there is 2.1, 2.4. Y is equal to 2.4. Y is equal to 2.4. And that is the answer of question number 8. Let's solve question number 9. Question number 9 here you see is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Transposing 9 to right hand side, we get 7x is equal to 16 plus 9, or 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Dividing both sides by 7, dividing both sides by 7, dividing both sides by 7, we get 7x by 7 is equal to 25 by 7 is equal to 25 by 7, or x can be written as 25 by 7, and that is the answer of question number 9. Now we'll solve question number 10. Question number 10 is this one. Question number 10 is 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Transposing 8 to right hand side we get 14y is equal to 13 plus 8, 13 plus 8, or 14y is equal to 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Dividing both sides, by 14, we get 14y by 14 is equal to 21 by 14. 21 by 14. 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, or y is equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and that is the answer. Y is equal to 3 by 2. That is the answer. Let's solve question number 11. Question number 11, you see here is question number 11 is 17 plus 6b is equal to 9. Transposing 17 to right hand side, we get 6b is equal to 9 minus 17. That is 6b is equal to 9 minus 17 is equal to minus 8. Dividing both sides by 6, dividing both sides by 6, we get 6b by 6 is equal to minus 8 by 6. Divided by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. That is equal to minus 4 by 3, or p is equal to minus 4 by 3, or it can be written as, that is 1 whole. If you divide 4 by 3, divide 4 by 3, that is 3 1 is 3, 1 whole 1 by 3. Therefore, it is 1 whole 1 by 3 is the answer of question number 11. That is minus 4 by 3, or 1 whole minus 1 whole 1 by 3. That is the answer of question number 11. Now see question number 12 is this one. Question number 12 is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. 7 by 15. Transposing 1 to right hand side, we get x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. What are you getting? LCM is 15, that is 7 minus 15 is equal to minus 8 by 15 minus 8 by 15. Now multiplying both sides by 3, multiplying both sides by 3, we get 3x by 3 into 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. This 3 will cut. Therefore, x is equal to 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. That is equal to minus 8 by 5. If we divide 8 by 5, that is 5 1 is 5, 6 7 8 3. You are getting minus 1 whole 3 by 5. That is the answer of question number 12. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.